How to use Walgreens Photo feature step by step. To use the Walgreens Photo feature, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the Walgreens mobile application because this is one of the fastest options to upload the photo. Once you launch the application and log into your account, tap the photo shortcut icon located on the main home dashboard screen. Select your desired product category, tap the Add Photos, and grant the app permission to access your phone's gallery or sync photos from the Google Photos or Facebook. Select the specific image you want to print by tapping them. Then tap Done, choose your print size, and use the plus or slash button to set the quantity for each picture. Tap the Process to Cart and enter any active promo coupon codes for discounts. Select your nearest Walgreens store for pickup and tap Submit Order. And this is how you can use the Walgreens Photos feature. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.